Hi, it's Rich Tehrani with TMC. Thanks for watching today. We are in San Jose. We're interviewing a number of companies in the area. On our program is Yossi Zohar. He is the Senior Director of Product Marketing at Amdocs. And we're going to talk about zero-touch customer management. And Yossi, take it away. Tell us a little bit about that.
So our research, we research consumers and service providers, which is our target market, every year, and we found out from research that we've done recently that consumers are now ready to use unassisted channels, especially the mobile device, the smartphone and the tablet, to solve their issues and to purchase products and services from those service providers. But they are facing some challenges in this space. Some of the challenges they're facing are, first and foremost, in the intuitiveness of the self-service applications that service providers are providing them, especially, again, through those mobile touch points. It's not always easy to use. They're not finding the information, so they abandon that channel. Also, we found out that a lot of those interactions through the mobile device are not consistent with other channels. And are not always done in real time, meaning when you submit an order, you want to add a service, it's not instantly submitted. It's something that takes time because of the disparate nature of these different channels. The other trend we found out is that customers want to see their service providers notify them proactively of issues or promotions that are relevant for their specific profile, a personalized communication,
on the device or email, or does it matter?
Especially on the device, through SMS, email, or through pop-ups that are done through the mobile app. Those are the most effective communication because the mobile device is at the customer's palm. It's the most intimate way of communicating to the customer. But what we also found out that service providers are, while sending communications to customers today, these are not personalized. These are general, broadcasts of different promotions and things of that sort, so that the customers are not really getting value of it. On the contrary, some of the communications are somewhat cryptic, so customers actually pick up the phone and call the call center to understand better what was the reason for that notification. So all in all, what we see is definitely there's a huge opportunity for service providers to optimize the way they interact with customers through the unassisted world. Yes, the call center is there and will probably continue to be there, and retail stores are there, will continue to be there, but the opportunity lies in actually getting ahead of the curve, leveraging the smartphone, leveraging the tablet, and also leveraging the vast amount of information that the service providers have on their customers to proactively preempt issues before they hit the customer.
So really we're seeing, I guess, a big change in customer behavior, and it's up to companies to take advantage of that change. Some are going to be on the leading edge and some are going to be on the trailing edge, and by being on the leading edge, you're going to potentially increase your sales, reduce your churn, increase customer service and satisfaction levels. Is that correct?
Yeah, and at the same time reduce your cost. The focus is absolutely on customer experience because we believe this is the new frontier on differentiation. It's less around the network quality. It's less around the variety of devices offered. It's even less around the price because you get more or less the same in all service providers. It's mostly around the experience. And when we talk about experience, there's two ways of doing that. Either not cost effectively, basically spending the time with the customer, on the phone, which is fine, but then you have pressures on your cost. The other way is to actually, again, leverage the new breed of channels to the customer, especially the smartphone and the tablet, and at the same time try to figure out, are there situations in the customer life cycle that we can identify, resolve, and then maybe notify the customer of the resolution versus just wait for it to reach the customer and have the customer frustrated.
Now, how does Amdocs help?
So Amdocs has a variety of systems that we deliver to our customers, the service providers, to optimize the customer experience in three areas. One is the assisted channels in the call center in the store. We provide simplified systems so that the agents can deal with customer issues as they come. But we're now moving into two new frontiers. The first one is the unassisted channels. And again, the emphasis is on the smartphone, enabling the service provider to deploy quickly and rapidly to all the different devices, smartphones and tablets out there. And of course, there are a variety of devices and operating systems to rapidly deploy self-service and self-care applications. The third area we're going into is, again, the proactive angle of leveraging the current customer data that service providers have in real time, basically monitoring customer events and factoring also BI data that they already have in order to identify issues that may frustrate the customer and resolving them immediately.
Fantastic. Thanks for being here today.
Thank you very much.